After a series of secrets, spy shots, and a look at a scarcely disguised test donkey, the 2019 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is at long last divulged in its full, straight-edge radiance. As we as of now observed from the before test donkey, the new G-Class is as square-shaped and square as Geländewagen fans had trusted. While the great cubic styling remains, everything under the skin is all new for 2019. All things considered, the new Geländewagen looks about indistinguishable to the active model. Beside a couple of changes to the front grille and an all-new arrangement of headlights, the Beverly Hills aircraft is as square-shaped as it ever has been. In spite of the recognizable plan, the new truck is 2.1 inches longer and 4.8 inches more extensive than the active generation.Inside. The progressions are substantially more huge. While the active age included a leatherbound situation packed with the high-spec calfskin, infotainment, and premium materials, Mercedes engineers were compelled to work around the G-Class prohibitive measurements, bringing about a cockpit that was unpleasant to apparently anybody over 5 feet 9 inches. The more established G-Class felt particularly like an upgraded military vehicle with all the imperative compromises done for 2018. The G-Wagon is more open and extravagant than any other time in recent memory, consolidating materials and inside outline pulled straight from Merc's present lineup. Everything shows up overhauled or changed, from the controlling wheel, to the starter patch, and focus reassured. Mercedes likewise consolidated the new 12.3-inch command show that fills in as both the measure group and the infotainment show. There's even touch controls on the controlling wheel, much like you would discover on the most current S or E-Class. The new truck fathoms the confined quarters too, exploiting the outside measurement extent with an extra 1.5 creeps of front leg and shoulder room. Travelers in the back will be much more agreeable, with an extra 5.9 creeps of leg room and 1.1 calls of shoulder room. Despite these personal satisfaction changes, the new G is more go 4x4 romping fit than any other time in recent memory. Designers worked greatly hard on safeguarding the mountain-gold identity of the G, bringing about a change in rough terrain execution no matter how you look at it. Ground freedom has bounced by 0.2 crawls to 9.5 inches at up to, close by 3.6-inch help in most extreme fording profundity to 27.6 inches. The most extreme point off approach is enhanced by 1 degree over the more established truck. Show more. There's as yet 3 100% lock-in differentials, alongside a strong back hub. In advance, another autonomous suspension consolidates the two-fold wishbone configuration, enhancing ground freedom and lightly enhancing street behavior as well. The 2019 G-Class includes another G-mode setting, like the current Sport and Comfort driving modes. In G mode, the truck streamlines the suspension, controlling, transmission, and throttle mapping for perfect execution in a low-hurry rough terrain conditions. Amazement, shock, the main powertrain accessible at this patch is a V8. Power originates from Mercedes Universal 4.0-liter twin-turbo M176 V8, driving 416 horsepower and 450 pounds-to-foot of torque to each of the four wheels. This power is overseen by Mercedes 9 G-Tronic 9-speed program transmission. Estimating weight in 0 to 60 miles per hour presently can't seem to be declared. However, with regards to convention, it's protected to expect it's exceptionally costly, very substantial, and shockingly quick. Search for additional points of interest on the 2019 Mercedes-Benz G550 later on this year.